Did you know that Windows already includes hundreds of powerful diagnostic and repair tools? But most IT technicians only use a handful of them because they're scattered across different menus, control panels, and command line utilities. That's exactly why I created Kernel Forge Professional IT Toolkit version 2.2 build 122. Instead of memorizing dozens of commands or opening countless Windows consoles, Kernel Forge brings everything together in one lightweight, portable batch application. Let's take a look at everything it can do. Starting with the dashboard, you can instantly view your system overview and access the toolkit's main sections from one clean interface. Inside the System Center, you can launch system information, Microsoft System Information, DirectX Diagnostic Tool, view environment variables, list installed programs, inspect running processes, display installed Windows updates and hotfixes, and generate a quick hardware summary. Moving to Windows administration, you have direct access to Task Manager, Device Manager, Services, Event Viewer, Local Users and Groups, Group Policy Editor, Registry Editor, Computer Management, Local Security Policy, and Shared Folders. The Repair Center focuses on Windows recovery and maintenance. From here you can check Windows updates, launch system restore, run a Windows update repair, and perform a group policy update without searching through Windows settings. The Disk Center gives you powerful storage management tools including a complete disk report, free space analysis, disk partition information, and smart drive status so you can quickly identify storage health problems. The Network Center is packed with troubleshooting features. You can perform a custom ping, start a continuous ping, display saved Wi-Fi profiles, release and renew IP addresses, view your MAC address, run traceroute, display DNS configuration, inspect shared network resources, and review your Windows firewall configuration. The Utilities Center gives technicians fast access to everyday Windows tools including Command Prompt, PowerShell, Calculator, Notepad, Control Panel, File Explorer, Task Scheduler, Snipping Tool, Remote Desktop Connection, Resource Monitor, and Performance Monitor. Inside Settings, you can view toolkit logs and clear existing logs to keep the toolkit clean and organized. Every action performed inside Kernel Forge is designed to reduce the time spent navigating Windows and increase productivity during troubleshooting. Whether you're diagnosing hardware, repairing Windows, checking network connectivity, managing users, monitoring system performance, or launching administrative tools, everything is available from one portable application. Kernel Forge is designed for IT support engineers, help desk technicians, desktop support specialists, field engineers, system administrators, and anyone who wants faster access to Windows management tools. This entire toolkit is built using a single portable batch file, making it lightweight, easy to carry on a USB drive, and ready to use on Windows 10 and Windows 11 without installation. And this is only version 2.2 build 122. Future releases will continue to expand with even more diagnostic tools, reporting features, automation capabilities, enterprise administration utilities, and an even more professional interface. If you found Kernel Forge useful, consider supporting the project by starring the GitHub repository, sharing it with fellow IT professionals, and subscribing for future updates. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the future of portable Windows administration with Kernel Forge Professional IT Toolkit. File can be downloaded from the GitHub link provided below. Thank you for watching. See you soon with new update with more tools.